Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about OEMTS reviews? If yes, then watch the video till then because in this video we are going to discuss about this online store. So let's check out the details of omets.com. Like whenever a person think of joining a gym, what follows are all the expenses that it includes: machines, equipment, supplements, and strict diets. So this website is the solution by providing these types of equipment at far better pricing than the competitors in the market. This website was made available to public access on 7th August 2021 with range of equipment to choose from. The website mentioned that they go back in time to the 1986, and since then they have improved, innovated, and came up with new and updated things. So let's check out the details and about their claim. It is 20 days old website, https to website. They are selling fitness equipment. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, and which can be a negative sign. Moreover, unfortunately, they have not mentioned physical address of the store and contact details. On their official portal, they have not mentioned cancellation policy. The positive point of shopping from OEMTS.com are they offer all the equipment that a person requires while fitness training. The website can be useful for individuals and organizations such as a gym or fitness center. The website provides all these items at a cheaper price point. The website is SSL encoded and is saved by HTTPS connection. Some of the disadvantages of OEMTS are they do not have any review anywhere on the internet. The website is only 20 days old. They have skipped mentioning the contact address and phone number. No cancellation policy have been discussed on online portal. They have not cleared the time of delivery of the products ordered. Also, they have a very small return window, that is you're supposed to return the product within 7 days. No customer care option is available to take customers requests and complaints. They have no symmetry of information and have mentioned the information roughly. No presence over social media. So the question is OEMTS legit? As far as social media is concerned, they have no presence over social media platforms. They have not stated their physical address on the website. We are unfortunate to find any customer review. The website seems to be using the content from many other scam and websites and uses information to mislead their customer. They do not have any owner details. It got registered just for 1 year, like it was registered on 7th August 2021 and it will expire on 7th August 2022, and its trust rank is just 0.8 out of 100. As the website is completely new to the online space and was launched 20 days back, just it has a very low engagement and awareness rate. This appears to be a major factor that affected the reviews of this website from the customer. So, in our final verdict, we can say that the website OEMTS, which is dealing with exercise equipment, offers our viewers a huge variety of op form. Plus, they also claims to offer the range of nominal and affordable prices of all the product, but the website is questionable and obvious as it has skipped many important pieces of information and has got no review for clarity. Thus, as website is very new, and we will say that let's give it some time to have complete research before getting to shop from here. And if you have personal experience about this online store, please write about your personal experience in the comment box.